Like many of you, I found myself in the last few months kind of being confined to my own home shop, and I was lucky enough that my kids are always right there with me under my feet. So I had to find a project that would both kind of entertain them and keep them busy. So that's why I came up with this can crusher. It's just made out of some small plywood pieces I had laying around the shop. Has a large base here at the bottom and then a built-up channel that holds this crushing block. The crushing block is attached to a long handle with some aluminum bar linkages, and then there's a pivot pin down here at the back side of the handle. So I can set a can in, and with this, by pressing down on the handle, it moves the block over and will, with enough force, crush that block against the wall. Now, I will say with the design, I found that you can pinch your fingers if you're pushing it with your hand, so I recommend if you build this, to put it on the floor and either give it a stomp or just a little foot pressure, and you can safely crush those cans. And another little service announcement is maybe you want to check with your local recycling center and make sure that they'll still accept crushed cans rather than just the whole cans. We do want to still be able to recycle these, so it's a good thing to check out. I found this is a great STEM project or science project that you can build with your kids and maybe even pass it off as an at-home shop class. So if you want to build this fun project, you can find the plans at our website, woodsmith.com, or I'll provide a link below.